Your team shouldn't need 5 different apps in order to stay organized. Good news, Google Chat allows you to manage all of your conversations, files, tasks, and more in a single screen. Now, if you're only using Google Chat for direct one-on-one messages, you are missing out because the real power of Google Chat is by creating spaces. Think of spaces as a team conversation or as a place where you may want to manage a project with others. Now, you can create as many different spaces as you like, but I think you can do an awful lot with just a single space for your team. So for example, I have this space called Team Council, and at first glance, you may think that this is just a group text messaging service, right? And it looks like that right here, right? We're sharing documents, we're having a conversation. But the real power of spaces within Google Chat is that we are just one click away from all of the documents that we need. We don't need to jump to some other service or some other shared folder. We can easily get to the information that we need right here. So for example, if I need to access the demo schedule, something that we all need to access within my team on a regular basis, I'm just one click away from accessing that file. But instead of having it open up in a new tab like you see here, make sure you use this tip. If you come over to the right-hand side of the file, select More Actions, and then select View in Conversation, it's going to bring you to where that file was first added. And you'll notice that there's a little icon here called Open in Chat. If we select that option, it's going to open up that file directly here within the chat window. So now I can go ahead and start interacting. I can start adding a new client directly into this document, into this spreadsheet. Whatever type of Google file this is, I can actually actively work with it while I'm still within the chat interface. Here's another quick example. Here's our team meeting agenda. If I select Open in Chat, I can start to interact and add those next action items directly from this screen. I'm not jumping back and forth. But of course, in order for you and your team to work at their productive best, you need to be able to assign and share tasks with others. And you can do that right here within Google Chat as well. Coming up here within our spaces, I'm going to select tasks. And here you can see we have a true team task management system. So I can add tasks and assign them to myself. I can add tasks and assign them to other members of my team. And we can all see what is happening at the same time. No longer are we sharing siloed or individual lists. We are a team, so we can work on these particular tasks together. And of course, you'll find a complete record of completed tasks down below. But here's the bonus for using these tasks within Google Chat. When something is assigned to a member of your team or yourself, it will automatically appear within your Google Calendar. Here you can see this task is called Email Clients Regarding the Price Changes. That is this task right here. And if I decide, or maybe some other member of my team decides that, you know what, we really don't need to get this done until the end of the week. Let's change that due date. Of course, that's going to be updated in real time right here within my calendar. Last but not least, I don't want to forget one of my favorite features here within Google Chat, and that is the ability to schedule a message for the future. This is something that you can't do with other tools such as WhatsApp. For example, we have an important meeting happening later in the week, but this is much too early for me to remind the team about that meeting. So I'm going to write the message now, and then I'm going to come over here and schedule it for a particular time. So they receive it exactly when I want them to receive it. I'm going to hit schedule send, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Now, this is really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the many features within Google Chat, and specifically when you are using Team Spaces. But if you are sick of switching between so many apps and so many places and want to keep your conversations, your files, and your tasks all in one place, and you're already using Google tools, this is the place for you. Now, if you have any further questions about using Google Chat, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and remember, you deserve to work without feeling overwhelmed.